I'm the bad guy. Duh. Oh, hello fellow makers. Father Printmas here, just perfecting my score on the new Beat Saber update. Welcome to 3D Printed Soup's 3D Printed Advent Calendar. I'm about to go back on and see if I can't get an S rating, but before I do, this is a wonderful 3D print for our 13th 3D print 3D Printed Soup's 3D Printed Advent Calendar. It's a flat pack reindeer. It comes flat on a little card and the whole thing clips together quite nicely. It was designed by this maker here, and they've done an excellent job of making this lovely, lovely model. I'm sorry this is a short video, but I've got to jump back on to Resident Evil 4 and get myself some boomstick action. Thanks for watching 3D Printed Soup. Stay happy, stay safe, keep printing. Oh good gracious, he's got a chainsaw!